Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because we are unboxing my July subscription boxes. They just showed up just in time before I have to leave, and we're gonna unbox them together, see what we got in the subscription boxes. I had the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Boxycharm by Ipsy. But you guys, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to hit a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what's in the boxes, just keep watching. Okay, we will start with the Glam Bag first. This one usually is 5 sample size, sometimes it's deluxe samples. It just depends on what they selected. And I know I get choices, but I don't always remember what I chose. So this is the bag. It has yellow flowers on kind of like a pinky mauve. Oh, and there's yellow butterflies on here. Very fun. And then we have a little card with some details on the products in the bag. All right. First thing, ooh, we've got Bare Minerals. This is the Complexion Rescue Bronzer, blush and bronzer. Oh, this is, so I think it's like a powder formulation. This is the cream formulation. So the retail for full size is $29, and this is a deluxe sample. Actually, all of them are deluxe samples. Let's see, I have the shade Kiss of Mauve. Ooh, it does have the little cover on it. I am going to try it out. I don't know if I'm going to get an opportunity to use this before I leave. I might just take it with me and try it out later. Okay, so it does feel like it dried down pretty quickly. It is a thin formula. I feel like it might be a little buildable. We'll definitely have to try it out. Feel like this would be good just to toss into a makeup bag. It's not a huge size, so it won't take up a lot of room. It will probably go on my travels with me. This is the Pistachio Biscotti perfume. So I'm now working with the ear, nose, and throat doctor. The last time I went in, they were talking about scent therapy to try and kind of retrain my sensory systems and see if I can start smelling things, but like reminding myself what things smell like. So I'm still told to, light the candles that I usually light, or wear the perfumes or the scented lotions, and remind myself what they smelled like, and hopefully over time I'll get my sense of smell back. I think I told you guys that I couldn't smell. Let me know if I haven't, and we'll do a quick story time. So the full size retails for $42. I do have I'm actually wearing it today and I can't smell it. It is the pistachio body butter. I get it off Amazon. It is so delectable. I love the scent of it. I would put the body butter on, and then the Huda Beauty pistachio, what is it, gelato, that layering, that grandma loved that. When I had gotten the Huda Beauty, or it's a Kayali, it's not Huda Beauty, it's a branch off of Huda Beauty. When I got their perfume set, it came with a small bottle and then it came with the large bottle. I gave my grandmother the smaller bottle, kind of built her perfume collection back up. She loved it. So I'm gonna have to try this out, see if Luke can smell it. It's a bummer because I can't, and I can't tell you how delicious it smells, but I remember how yummy it is, and it is chef's kiss. So delicious. The Briogeo Style and Treat Yuzu and Plum Oil Soft Power Air Dry Cream. Ooh, so I like this type of thing for when I do my hair in a bun. I will either put in a leave-in conditioner or an air dry cream. That way when I decide to take my hair out at night or get myself ready to go out to dinner or a date or whatever, I already have it in my hair. Can just kind of like let it air dry and then do what I need to do as far as styling is concerned. Love this, and I love Briogeo. This retails, full size, retails for $26. Heatless, effortless hair. It helps eliminate frizz thanks to a nourishing blend of ingredients like plum oil and B vitamins, so your strands can dry smoothly for a lived-in, touchably soft look. That's awesome. I have one from Bien that I absolutely love. I'll do the air dry cream and then their smoothing balm and then blow dry my hair, and it definitely helps combat the frizziness that I have so badly. This is the Defiance Beauty Luminous Liquid Lipstick in Iconic. Full size retails for $25. Creamy pinky nude lipstick Weightless Dream. Okay. It's kind of got, it says it's a pinky nude, but this definitely looks like it's like a brown nude. I have picked a winner for the giveaway and I just packaged everything up. So I think I'm going to sneak this in there. You guys, I cleaned out the giveaway drawer because of my travels. And we did a giveaway for my birthday and it was supposed to be spring. So we did a summer plus 40th birthday giveaway. But when I get to Germany, I think I might start building stuff up to do a giveaway when I'm there before I leave. All right, and last item, Dallas and James Skincare Company. This is the Watermelon Dream All-in-One Eye Cream. Full size retails for $65. Okay. Multitasking eye cream really does exist. Formulated with faves like retinol, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ceramides to help brighten, smooth, and plump your eye area. Plus it has a light watermelon scent. Okay. So we will definitely try out some of these out. The samples are great for traveling. So I know when I get to Germany, there's a couple places that I want to do just like day trips or weekend overnight trips. So I do plan on taking some of my more like smaller items to be able to travel with them. Okay, you guys, now we are on to the Boxycharm by Ipsy bag. There's not a lot of weight to this, but I'm pretty sure there's some good selections in here. All right, we have some details. Oh, there's some good hints in here. Interesting. Let's see what we got. Ooh, okay. This is the Rose and Quartz Muse Mask, hydrating and silicone-free treatment. So it says I need to scan to see what I have inside. All right, where's my Ipsy app? Okay, so this one apparently is the one that I picked. Full size retails for $24. Okay, so it's deeply hydrating yet feather-light mask made to help repair and restore strands with Facet Fix, the brand's plant-derived patented bond builder. It also helps enhance natural movement and shine so your hair can look and feel its best. I love that. I don't use a leave-in treatment all the time. I might do it like every 3 days or once a week, but I at least try and use at a minimum once a week for a hair mask. Your strands need it, your hair needs that recovery. Let's see, we have the Gold Faden MD Wake Up Call. Oh, this is the Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. Full size retails for $105. I do like Gold Faden. I have one of their serums that I'm using right now. Absolutely love it. It just smooths out my skin. So good. The downside is it says problem is dry and aging skin. I have aging, but not dry. Creamy overnight moisturizer is truly the stuff of dreams thanks to ingredients like avocado oil, CoQ10, and retinol. It helps reveal skin that looks and feels supple, smooth, and hydrated. Now, this will work out for me in the winter, and Germany's weather is more fall, winter than it is summer. So this might actually be good for me when my skin does dry out, because in the winter it's not as oily as it is now in the summer, but I'm gonna definitely need something for the harsh cold weather. So I'll probably take this one with me. Ooh, we have beauty sponges. These are from Beauty Vault, the Sponge Duo. Retails for $22. So there's 2 different types of sponges, and I don't know that I need more sponges. I have a drawer full of brushes and sponges and I've been trying to get through them right now. As much as I want to keep these for myself, I'm gonna send them to the winner of the giveaway because I just feel like it would benefit someone better when I already have some that I need to kind of use up. So I am going to put this in the giveaway box and send it to the winner. We have from Laura Geller, Made to Multitask, Eye, Lip, Cheek Palette, Think Pink. Ooh, okay. I really like Laura Geller. So this retails for $32. Ooh, okay. This is pretty. So it looks like there's a powder highlighter and then a cream or 2 cream blushes that can also multitask as lip products. I want to keep this. I really do because I really, really love Laura Geller. The downside is I am currently going through all of my makeup drawers and figuring out what I want to take with me. And as much as I want to keep this, I think I'm going to send it in the giveaway. I want to keep it so bad. I really do. And I kept 1 sample. I am going to put this in the giveaway box and it will go to the winner. From Grown Alchemist. Ooh, okay. This is the Instant Smoothing Serum. I love Grown Alchemist. I picked this. It was the Beauty Boost. So with the Beauty Boost, it gives you a recommendation, but then it also gives you options to switch out if you want to. The full size retails for $55. I actually just finished up my clarifying skin like Clay Mask Cleanser. I just finished that up. It was so good. Ooh, okay. I need a good smoothing serum. I love Grown Alchemist products. Let's see what it says. Best-selling serum is packed with 3 types of hyaluronic acid that sink into your skin like water on a sponge. Vegan-friendly, fragrance-free formula helps draw moisture into the deeper layers of the skin and lock it in at the surface so your complexion feels hydrated and plump. Ooh, okay. So that's the one thing I haven't gone through right now. So I started going through my skincare drawers and making sure that I didn't have products that were going to expire before I get home, but also if they weren't for my skin type, I pass them on to my friends. Like I have a friend who is very dry. She needs all the hydration she can get. I am opposite of that. My oily skin does not want hydration right now. So I went through and I cleared all that out, and she just accumulated probably a year and a half of skincare because I don't want it to go bad in my drawers. All right, last item, and this is also from Laura Geller. This is the Wildflower Wishes 14 Multi-Finish Eyeshadows. I like the packaging, it is very pretty. All right, this retails for $45. Ooh, I like this color story. Now here's my thing. I have a palette very similar to this color story that I just picked up. I think it's from Inslee Rain, and a lot of the shadows in there are multi-chromes, duochromes, shimmers. I want to keep this. I really do. I like the color story, but I think I'm going to put this in the giveaway and send this on to the winner. I want to keep it. I love Laura Geller products, but I know realistically I have a palette that I picked up recently, similar color story, but has other like multi-dimensional shadows, and I would hate for it to sit here and not get used for almost a year. So I will pass this on to someone I think can get some good use out of it. Now, let me go ahead, total up this box and see what it is worth. Okay, you guys, this box retailed for $283. That is insanity. I do not pay a lot for my subscription packages, and there's part of me that thinks that I need to suspend them while I get situated in Germany, but then there's part of me that's like, no, even if I'm not able to film the unboxings, I still love receiving the products in there because I find some of the best products that I wouldn't have normally picked up myself. Sometimes there's surprises, and there's a beauty product I was going to pick up, didn't get a chance to, and then it ends up in my subscription. Or sometimes there's something I looked at and I was like, oh, that's really expensive, I'm not buying that. And it ends up in there. So, I don't know. We'll see. I will do my best to get situated in Germany as quickly as possible and continue to do the content that you guys like, as well as add in a smattering of travel vlogs. Now you guys, let me know if you're subscribing to Ipsy or Boxycharm. I love receiving their packages and seeing what little goodies are in there. Sometimes I keep the products for myself, sometimes I give them to you guys in my giveaways. Now, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.